The study suggests that Ceres is largely ice-covered and may have a muddy ocean. These findings reaffirm Ceres' status as a key target for studying extraterrestrial oceans. Recent studies suggest that Ceres was predominantly icy, with ancient oceans beneath its surface freezing to form a muddy ice crust. The study, led by Purdue University and NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, is revealing Ceres' frozen ocean past by examining the deformation of craters on the surface. The scientists note that the craters on Ceres' surface have undergone very little deformation, suggesting an icy crust. Mike Sorey, lead author of the study, explains that their simulations show how strong ice can be when mixed with some rock. This suggests that Ceres has a dense ice crust, and that this ice is strong enough to maintain the shape of the craters over time. According to Sorey, Ceres may once have been an ocean world like Europa. However, Ceres' ocean was dirty and muddy. This muddy ocean may have frozen and buried itself beneath the surface, forming a largely icy crust. NASA's Dawn mission to Ceres in 2015 revealed icy structures on the dwarf planet's surface and traces of frozen water underground. The data confirms that Ceres has a large amount of ice beneath its surface, making it a prime target for future exploration. Scientists say Ceres is one of the closest ocean worlds to Earth. If confirmed, Ceres would be a prime area for future space missions, comparable to Jupiter's Europa and Saturn's Enceladus. Bright features on Ceres' surface could indicate the remnants of a muddy ocean that once erupted onto the surface, making Ceres an exciting target for future space missions. Scientists plan to send spacecraft to Ceres to study and collect samples of the frozen remains of a former ocean world. The presence of icy oceans on Ceres provides one of the basic conditions necessary for life to emerge on this dwarf planet. Liquid water is an indispensable element for life as we know it to exist. It is also possible that simple organic molecules are present in the oceans on Ceres. These molecules are considered the building blocks of life. An interesting theory about the history of Ceres is that water may have been carried to Ceres as a result of major collisions that occurred in the early periods of the solar system. These collisions may have heated the interior of Ceres, causing the ice to melt and the formation of liquid water oceans. Ceres is also thought to be an important target for future space missions. Scientists aim to learn more about the structure and evolution of this dwarf planet by sending spacecraft that land on Ceres and collect samples. In this way, we can obtain important information about the formation and evolution of the solar system and perhaps make new discoveries about the distribution of life in our universe. Ceres is also similar to other water-rich celestial bodies in the solar system, Europa and Enceladus. All three of these celestial bodies are thought to have oceans of liquid water under their surfaces and are important targets in the search for life. However, Ceres may have undergone a different evolutionary process due to its smaller size and being located in the inner part of the solar system. The presence of salt water on the surface of Ceres indicates that this dwarf planet has had active geological activity in its past. This suggests that the internal structure of Ceres is still dynamic and may change over time. Ceres is one of the most mysterious and fascinating worlds in the solar system. Getting to know this dwarf planet better will help us understand our place in our universe and the origins of life. New discoveries about Ceres in the coming years will create great excitement in the scientific world and further increase humanity's curiosity in space exploration.